morning. It is day 2. We are about to go to, I think, an amusement, like museum type of thing. So we're about to go eat first, and then we're gonna go to that little thing I was talking about. Just made it to Lawson's right now. I don't know what I'm craving. I don't know. These are so good. So many drink options. I don't know what to get. Corley's, what should we try? We'll get an egg sandwich. Cheers. Came back inside to get something sweet. What should we get, bro? A coffee jelly? Pretty fire. Alright. Taste test. Pretty good. I'm gonna try this.
I'm gonna bring those.
Ooh. It's very light. Pretty good. The city is so beautiful here. Cheers. With a coffee. Pretty good. I'd rate the drink 8.5 out of 10. How about you?
Maybe like a 8.
It's called the Kyoto Latte, so I don't know what makes it Kyoto. I don't know if it's the coffee grinds or whatever, but it was really good. We're waiting in line right now. Whoa. Selfie. Gotcha, boy. So we're like in this room where you can sketch, and then outside in that room I just show you, they actually go on that wall what we just drew. So let me finish this real quick. All right, this is what we got. I tried to write Jaden in Japanese, but I bet you it is terrible. Oh, there you go. Yo, that's fire. Yo. Get to follow it. That is so fire. That's the best fish, bro. We just finished. That place is pretty cool. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. What do you think?
9 out of 10.
Yeah, I think it was cool. It's just too busy. It's really dark.
And it gives you a headache.
Yeah, it really does. Dang, a McLaren. Oh, I didn't get it on camera. We teleported to Soba. This is what I ordered. I got the chili oil one. This looks so bomb. So good. I would say that was pretty good. I would say that was about an 8 out of 10. The meat was really salty though, so that's why I marked it down. How do you feel, Corley? How good was it?
7.5.
Well, my sister and my mom are at Brandy Melville. Me and my dad are going to go to Liberty Walk since it's down the street. This building's nice.
Yeah.
We made it. Guys, my favorite color. Green. This is R35. Should I cop it? That's pretty sick. Alright, look at the fit on this thing. There's no... Oh, is this the line? Ain't no way. Just cop. We're at I'm Donut. We are gonna try these donuts now. This one looks like it's original. Very like chewy, doughy.
You know what it is? The malasada.
Don't really taste the chocolate.
The malasada.
Pistachio. Don't care for that. I would rate those probably like a 6 out of 10. We're on our way to Bape right now. Pretty chill in here. The bricks. We're on our way to Pop Mart now. What are you trying to get?
Something Disney.
I mean, it's a Pop Mart. Never mind, guys. The line is way too long. Oh my gosh, that thing is so clean. Damn. Look at this infinity mirror. It's actually pretty sick. So cool. Check this out. We're at the Disney store. Bro, what the heck? Finally arrived at dinner. We are waiting in the line to get in on these stairs. Bro. So he's showing us, you pull out this little table and it has like plates, 2 different types of pepper, salt, chopsticks. It's pretty cool. Oh my goodness.
That's so good.
That's good, bro. So, there's an old friend that used to hang out with me. He's in Japan right now for school or something. I'm not really sure yet. I don't really know the details, but he just texted me. He's literally a 5-minute walk from me. So, I'm about to go see him for a little bit, say hi. Junction along with him. Bro, I'm so tired right now. It's 9 o'clock here, which translates to 5 in California. So, I'm literally so drained. We've been out since like 7:30 in the morning. Just got brown sugar. We're gonna try. It's pretty good. Here's the new shirt I got. That concludes night number 2. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like it. Trying to get more ideas on how to vlog, so comment how you want me to vlog. And I'll see you tomorrow for day number 3.